How to create a new project on NanoBanana.ai. First of all, open your browser and go to NanoBanana.ai. Then log into your account using your email or Google sign in. On the landing page, look for the yellow Start Editing button in the center of the screen. This button serves as the main way to start a new project. Click on Start Editing and you will be redirected to the editor or generator page. Here you can choose the type of project or AI tool you want to use, such as text to image, image editing, or other available content creation tools. Once you have selected your project type, you can start adding your content. Some interfaces may allow you to name your project for easier organization, but this step is optional. As you work on your project, make sure to save or export your content when you are finished. Each editing session is treated as a separate project, allowing you to easily manage multiple projects from your account. Now you know how to create a new project on NanoBanana.ai. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.